Hey, it's Mike here from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I'll show you how the brand new Tracks panel works in Adobe Audition CC. So here we are, rather complex set of session files I've been working on. This one has voice up here, also voice going on here. We've got music going on here and sound effects down here. Really confusing to keep up with this. And if I zoom in up here, I can see the voice, but I can't see the music. Oh my goodness. And good news is I can zoom back out using this, and zoom out has been improved in the very latest version of Adobe Audition CC. But really, ideally, for the edit I'm working on right now, I want to see this voiceover and this music up close, but I don't want to have to delete or move tracks around like this. I could move tracks around like that, but really, I want a way of kind of like layers in Photoshop, being able to hide them for a moment while I'm working on my project. Well, now with a brand new Tracks panel available in window Tracks, you will be able to do this. And let me show you how it works. So I'm just going to dock it up over here and make it a bit smaller. And now what I can do is I can get rid of all the tracks I'm not using. So this one, this one, this one, by clicking the eyeball and basically crossing out that eyeball and moving these tracks closer together. I can also get rid of, say, the other music and sound effects tracks. So I can uber focus now, even the bus track there, on what I want to here. And I can either use my scroll bar to make that bigger, or I can again use the zoom out full like that to make this very clear and apparent. So now I can mix and match the voice directly to my music track at a glance. If I want to save that as a preset, I can do by clicking the hamburger menu here, track visibility save. That can be preset 1, okay? And then go back to all view, track visibility, show all tracks. That would also be achieved by hitting Alt Shift and A or Option Shift A on a Mac. And boom, all of our tracks are back in view again. Can zoom out to them. But it's as easy to get back to the previous view by hitting Shift 1, which recalls my first Tracks window preset. Look at that. So Shift A or Option Shift A will bring us back, and Shift 1 will bring us into that Uber editing mode of just those two tracks. It will not mute the tracks you've hidden, it will just hide them. So it's perfect for editing in detail specific parts of a rather large multi-track session. Enjoy using the new Tracks window. Let me know how you're going to use it in the comments, and remember to subscribe for more new features regularly on my channel. We'll be right back.